बच्चों, so let's read this question. 25 grams of unknown hydrocarbon upon burning produces 88 grams of CO2 and 9 grams of H2O. This unknown hydrocarbon contains A. 24 grams of carbon and 1 grams of hydrogen, B. 18 grams of carbon and 7 grams of hydrogen, C. 20 grams of carbon and 5 grams of hydrogen, or D. 22 grams of carbon or 3 grams of hydrogen. तो हमें इसमें बताना है that जो अननोन हाइड्रोजन कार्बन हाइड्रोकार्बन है वो कितना अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन कंटेन करता है और कितना अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। उस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट लिख लेते हैं। की कॉन्सेप्ट वुड बी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Now let us start solving this question. So let us first calculate the amount of carbon in hydrocarbons. तो उसके लिए हम कह सकते हैं each mole of CO2 contains 1 mole of carbon. Now molar mass of CO2 would be molar mass of CO2 is equals to 44 grams per mole. Now moles, अगर हम number of moles of CO2 निकालना चाहें, that would be equals to 88, क्योंकि हमारे को 88 grams of CO2 यहाँ पे provided है, divided by 44, which is equals to 2 moles. Now each mole of CO2 corresponds to 1 mole of carbon. Each mole of CO2 corresponds to 1 mole of carbon. हमने ये डिस्कस किया अभी each mole of CO2 contains 1 mole of carbon. Now mass of carbon यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा फिर हमारा mass of carbon is equals to, as we calculate the numbers of moles, is equals to 2 multiplied by 12 grams per mole, क्योंकि atomic mass of carbon होता है 12, which will be equals to 24 grams. Now let us calculate the amount of hydrogen. So to calculate the amount of hydrogen, हमें पता है each mole of H2O contains 2 moles of hydrogen. 2 moles of hydrogen. तो हमारा moles of H2O यहाँ से हो जाएगा. First of all, we have the given, हमें कितना है? हमें given है 9 grams of H2O. So 9 given mass is 9 grams of H2O, and H2O का हमारा molar mass होता है 18. Yes, 18. Now it would be equals to 0.5 mole. So हमारे number of moles of H2O is 0.5. So we know that each mole of H2O contains 2 moles of hydrogen. So we can say 1 gram per mole. So mass of hydrogen यहाँ से हमारा आ जाएगा. Mass of hydrogen is equals to number of moles, which is 0.5 multiplied by 2 grams, क्योंकि H2 है और हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक वेट होता है 1, so 2. So it is equals to 1 grams. So the unknown hydrocarbon contains 24 grams of carbon and 1 gram of hydrogen. तो हमारा आंसर ये हो जाए. Let us now find out the most suitable answer for this. So the most suitable option is option A, which says 24 grams of carbon and 1 gram of hydrogen. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.